In this video, I'm going to show you how to make infinite amounts of professionally designed logos for your business or other people's business, even if you have zero graphic design skills or you're not even artistically inclined. And guess what? If you have ChatGPT Plus, there is no additional cost for this. That's right. It's free. It's a free new app that's built for this system. I'm going to demo how to do all of that right now. But first, let me show you a few examples of the logos I've created and the doodles that I use to create them. Be ready to have your mind absolutely blown. So as you can see, I'm not very artistically inclined. This is a doodle I did with a pen and paper on my computer. And then I pretended this was my doodle for my lawn care company. I called Grasshopper Lawn Care. And boom, ChatGPT spit out this very, very modern design for my logo. Then I went in and I pretended I owned a hardware store called Keegan's Hardware. I even took a blurry photo of the doodle that I did, gave that to ChatGPT, followed this prompt system, and boom, look at the professional logo it created for Keegan's Hardware Store. And finally, I pretended I owned a cleaning service called Keegan's Cleaners, and I put in this little picture of somebody who's cleaning. I followed these prompts and check it out. This is the professional logo that ChatGPT created for Keegan's Cleaners, my theoretical cleaning business. Now, let's jump right in and I'm going to show you exactly how to get this tool and use it for yourself to create as many professional logos in whatever style you want on an ongoing basis. Now, let me show you how to quickly and easily set up this logo maker on your own ChatGPT. So all you have to do is start by clicking on the link in my description below. It's going to open this up into your ChatGPT window. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to save this to the sidebar so that you can use it all the time. So you just click on this drop down, you click on keep in sidebar, and now you've got your logo GPT creator. So the first thing that you need to do is click on this to say, hey, I want to upload a sketch and pick a style. And it's going to start outlining some instructions for you to help you understand this process, right? So it's going to tell you upload your style and then upload your logo. And then here are the styles that you can choose from for your business logo. Okay, great. So now I just click on this upload section. I pick the one from my computer. So as you can see, again, not very artistically inclined. I was just thinking of a business called Elephant Event Rentals. I thought that'd be kind of cool. So now it's just going to say, thank you for uploading your sketch. Now, can you just tell me about what we're doing? And it even recognized, looks like we're working with an elephant concept. I didn't tell it that at all. It just knew from my really poor doodle that that was an elephant, which is pretty cool, right? The power of this technology is absolutely amazing. I don't know if it's blowing your mind as much as mine. So then I just put in the style I want. So I just put in the style, and let's pick from some of the styles above. I'm going to go with bold and colorful. I feel like that would be great for this, especially, elephant, kind of bold. And then you just say your business name. So I'm going to say elephant. I'll just call it Elephant Rentals. And then finally, you put your color. And I'm just going to pick for a color, like, let's just say blue would be a cool color. So now I type that in, and now ChatGPT, you can see it's working, and it's going to start thinking about how to generate this logo for my business. You'll see it start to load in 3, 2, 1. It's loading, right? And it's starting to create this image for my business. And there you go. It's done. It just created a sweet logo for my business. And I can even see, right? It's not perfect. It spelled rentals wrong. So all I'm going to do is tell ChatGPT, hey, correct the spelling of rentals. And I'm going to be good to go with a brand new, sweet, professional logo for now my rental business. So you can see, I just created that from a doodle. I just created this other one from a simple doodle. I created this hardware store logo from a simple doodle. And I created this logo for my theoretical mowing company from a simple doodle. All look professional, all different styles. It's as if all these different artists did them. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'm working on teaching small business owners how to harness this power of AI so that you can help grow your business, save on costs, and keep owning your local market, your small business market. So again, hit that like button, share this with others so that more great local business owners like you can save money, have a professional logo, build their brand in their community or further small business online. Thanks again. And I'll see you in the next video where we keep talking about how to use AI tools to grow your business.